Sorry it took a while, but it's just been fighting a sickness for a while, and you can probably hear it in my voice. Ugh, it's bad. But I'm gonna try to push through anyway. So, let's get started on chapter 4. And debating on pushing if I should do 2 parts, because it seems like the latest chapter's been very short. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there, if I see that we need to. Let's get started. Hope my voice can survive. Chapter 4, Beware the Black Cat. Oh, please. I've already known that. Oh yeah, where did we leave off from? It's been a week, so I don't remember. 10 in the morning. I'm diligently serving customers today. However, there are fewer than usual. Can I even do voices, or should I just do regular? I feel like it's... Hurry, there's still not any orders yet? Oh, that almost killed me right there. Not at the moment. Really? This is probably because of that new restaurant. A new restaurant? A new restaurant geared towards tourism showed up not too long ago. Today is its grand opening. Oh, well, crap. Great. Huh. Oh, I can't use spacebar? Okay. What was it called? Something Cafe. You mean a Black Cat Cafe? Oh, that's it. You know about it? I saw it when I came to the village, but I didn't know it was a restaurant. Oh yeah, the first chapter. Listen up, Mitt. You're going to be my spy, okay? What a jump. That's my reaction too. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to scream, so I can't do it. We can get along fine without you for a while. Hey! No fair, I wanna go too! Who will take care of the customers if you're gone too? Ah, Mid-son, please get me a souvenir. A souvenir? Well, I'm curious about it too, so I'll go. Don't get lured away. Are you saying you value me as an employee? No, it'll just be a pain to hire someone again, dumbass. Jesus! Fuck! I thought my manager was bad. Oh, I see. This place is the Black Cat Cafe? I saw this black and white building when Suzuki was giving me a tour of the village. Why do I almost always read his name wrong? The sign that said opening soon is gone. The lights inside are on. 8 customers are standing out front, forming a small line. I reluctantly came to the 9th customer and wait to be let in. Whoa. Fancy. I like it. I wait 40 minutes, then finally get inside. A black cat with an unusually large body approaches me. You are not kidding. Damn. Oh, God. There's gonna be so many people with deep voices. What the fuck can I do with this? Oh! I know which one I can do. Welcome. Table for one? Oh, can I even do that voice with the sickness? We'll try. Huh? Yeah. His sudden casual hospitality catches me off guard. Also, his intonation is that of a Kansai accent. What the fuck is that? Honestly, I can't deny I felt taken aback when he appeared. What accents is that? Am I gonna have to... Okay, well... Did I just unintentionally do... I'll just do whatever I can. What would you like to order? He leads me to a seat and hands me a menu. The lighting is dim and the interior is made to match the atmosphere of the village. The menu... I make my selection from the menu and tell the black cat my order. When he hears it, he slides his notepad on the counter to a white cat who takes it without saying a word. By any chance... Would you happen to be the manager? Yep. Guilty as charged. Well, it makes sense for the owner to be a black cat when it says the Black Cat Cafe outside. A perceptive, I'm the manager of this restaurant. Oh my Jesus Christ, I can't do it. Yamato Hitofumi at your service. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do that voice. I'll just do the regular voice. We've only just opened, but I appreciate your patronage. I'm not doing that because I just realized it's gonna kill me right now. Yamato-san, you serve customers even though you're the manager? You've got it backwards. I serve customers because I'm the manager. Don't you know the fate of a business depends on repeat customers? He's not wrong. They're a huge help in tourist spots where the customer's base is particularly fluid, so I put a lot of effort into attracting them. That's why I concentrate on serving customers, so I can get a closer relationship with the tourists. How is that related? Do you know why tourists go sightseeing? To make memories or something like that? That's right. They try to make memories. But be that as it may, they rarely interact with the locals these days. Taking pictures, buying souvenirs, and having a nice meal are generally enough for them. That's where you come in. I get aggressive about talking to them, adding interaction with the locals to that list. If they have fond memories of the visits, they'll think about stopping by the Black Cat Cafe when they come back. People are also more than happy to write about me in the travel blog. Sorry about that. Ugh. Let's try that again. People are also more than happy to write about me in their travel blogs. Then I get good publicity. Yamato-san, you aren't a local though, are you? That is an awkward amount of silence between the two people. Don't worry about the little details. The impression of being one is what's important. I see. Well, I also serve customers because I can't cook. So that's the main reason. Don't worry about the small details. Anyways, the cook is in the kitchen, does it all by himself. Before I set up shop here, I was in the home delivery business. I used my connections through that to hire him. He has trained all around the world. I can assure his skills are top-notch. This is a restaurant, so of course that's important too. Excuse me. Wow. Sorry, but us here at the Black Cat Cafe are taking your customers. Oh. I wish I didn't read it like that, but get the point. You figured out I'm from the lounge? Of course I did. What kind of ordinary customer will listen to all that self-important yammering? The lounge was the only restaurant in this village until I came along. Of course I did the reconnaissance. What is that word? Reconnaissance. Okay. I did the reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. Fuck! I tried to go to your place as a customer earlier, but it was closed. Oh. Was it that day when everybody was asleep and wouldn't wake up? You see, this village has had a remarkable increase in tourists lately. You guys must have thought it was nice to have so many customers going to the lounge, right? That was their only option. The lounge was the only place to go when you're hungry. But that's no longer true now that the Black Cat Cafe is here. We've got a ton of customers visiting the village. You're stealing our fucking customers. Great, thanks. Fat ass. I shouldn't say that, I'm sorry. This is my only warning for your pathetic lounge. You've had it easy for a long time now, but don't think that'll continue. Tell your boss the manager of the Black Cat Cafe will be dropping in for a visit soon. Can I slap this guy? I would automatically want to fight him. I was like, wow, came up with this very kind person and became an asshole at the very end. How fitting. I could have tried to give him a voice similar to that of, like, Hazama from Blaze Blue. Like, this very unsuspecting person, then you realize, like, yep, dark intentions. Say no more, Mato-san goes on to greet other customers. I just came here to spy, but I ended up getting an unexpected declaration of war. Good job, Mint. Just good job. Can't help but get this feeling of danger when I see him acting so sure of himself. Him laying out all his plans right in the open is a sign of confidence. At any rate, I'm sure he's going to be a formidable business rival for the lounge. Blah. That's great. Whoa! So that's what the other place's manager's like? I guess you'd call that the opposite of the lounge. What's that supposed to mean? You usually don't interact with the customers. You just shut yourself in the kitchen all the time. It's the exact opposite of the other place, right? That's true. The manager who doesn't do things like cook even though he runs the place is no big deal. Sorry about that. But there's a chef there who makes surprisingly good food. What? Oh really? Maybe I should go there to eat next time. Damn it! Whose side are you on? Calm down. You're going to get the carpet pulled from under your feet if you don't underestimate him. The income from tourists is finally increasing. You can't get complacent. Tourists who see the Black Cat Cafe for the first time are probably attracted to it because it's new and has a nice looking exterior. Blech. The sickness is getting to my mind. Really? Mince, did you think so too? Yeah, kind of. Should I change something about my restaurant? I don't think you're cut out for having pleasant chats with your customers, though. So what should I do? Don't get impatient. You need to be calm and composed. It seems he's aiming for tourists, but this place has local connection and built from your dad's generation. If he says repeat customers are important, loyal customers are even more so. True. The taste of the Lagoon Lounge was already deeply ingrained to the villagers a long time ago. At the very least, I don't think they'll be switching over to a new restaurant anytime soon. You say that, but I have a feeling that's foreshadowing. Even if you didn't have the familiarity and connection with them, you're always finding ways to improve your cooking skills. The tourists would choose good taste in the end. I don't think you're going to lose. Is he blushing? Are you serious? That's funny. Yeah, you're right. Suzuki's praise makes Go feel shy. Being praised by Suzuki seems like something rare. But for him to say that much, does he have no sense of danger? I don't think I read that right. I was like, oh my god, was that the end already? Jesus. The next morning, as usual, I head to the lounge for work. And get criticized again for fucking up everything. Welcome to... Ah! I'm suddenly greeted by Go when I open the door. This is... What the hell is so funny? Sorry. Your tone of voice suddenly changed when you said welcome. It did? Kind of. You're practicing being hospitable? That's kind of cute. Yeah. Suzuki said you didn't have to do that, though. But... We'll take care of the customers. You focus on cooking. We'll get absolutely nothing out of you doing something you're not good at and losing the taste of your cooking, right? You're right. Please. Sure. Leave it to me. Go was still worried. He had a monopoly of customers before they started flocking to the new restaurant, didn't he? That's why he has never had the experience of his struggle for survival until now. Okay, we're good. We have to support him. Ugh. As usual, we have our after-work dinner. Huh? What about Suzuki? Can't go home today because he has the night shift. Jesus! You didn't say anything about that this morning. Was it a last-minute decision? Anyways, let's eat. Thanks for the food! Yu's not getting as many lines this time. It's kind of lame. Yeah, thanks. Is the doorbell? As soon as I pick up my chopsticks, the restaurant's door bursts open. Oh god, no. Huh? Sorry, we're already shit. Yeah, I figured. The music changed, damn. Hey, you're that guy from yesterday. Okay, so I'm gonna give him like more smug tone now. Because now I know what his intentions are. The large build coming through the door is undoubtedly the manager of the Black Cat Cafe. We have to comment on the fact that he's fat. That's great. What do you want? I told you I'd be stopping by. Say hello. Yeah, now I'm just more thinking about it. Yeah, like almost like a Hazama kind of tone would work. I didn't think it'd be this soon, though. Strike while the iron is hot. More haste, less speed. It never hurts to be early. But we're not racing. Worrying about every little thing like that is why you're still a virgin. Jesus fucking Christ. I can't wait to punch you in the face. Why can't this be amorous where I can actually punch one of the people in the face? Please just don't assume I'm a virgin. Are you the manager of the Black Cat Cafe? Yamato Hitofumi. Nice to meet you, and the lounge go. Do you know my name too? Of course I do, Yujiro-kun. Even me? I heard about you from my customers. They say you guys eat dinner here after work. I thought I'd join too. I even got the wife to make me a bento. Don't feel like you need to hold back just because I'm here. Oh my god, the music is so fitting with this. Also, wait, no, the music's giving me like Phoenix Wright vibes for some reason. Trying to think of who. Who does it remind me of? Because I think there's someone's theme in Phoenix Wright who actually has like a theme similar to this. Oh, I can't. I think it's in The Greatest Attorney. It might be. I kind of want to say it's almost like Sholmes' theme, but no, it's Male Stronghearts. That's who it is. It's his theme. It's similar to his. That's why it gives that imposing theme. Okay, I got it. You don't know what it means to hold back, do you? I have been told that. As Yamato-san opens up the bento he brought, he talks on and on in a loud voice. Oh great, I can't do that. Sorry about that. That's why. Gokun, even though you've got such a great restaurant at such a young age, you have your share of troubles, right? It looks like I'm several years older than you, so don't hesitate to ask if you need help. Yeah. It seems you don't talk to your customers much, though. Shouldn't you come out and visit them to get a better opinion of your restaurants? I'm surprised I read that right the first time. Lots of people think that, but they don't say it. I think listening is a manager's job. Don't you think so, Yo? Huh? Yeah. Gokun, are you listening? Yeah. Not like that. Give more sociable responses. I'm not saying you have to be sociable to me, but if you're unsociable to them, sooner or later they'll get tired of being social themselves. I don't think so. There are people who are always friendly. Like me. Really? I doubt there are very many, though. Sociability is like the connector that links people together. Even a bug wouldn't approach your surly face. You have to give patronage to get patronage. I've done plenty of preparations in advance to do whatever it takes to get repeat customers. How do you? Do you understand? Jesus. In addition to that, I've got something else to tell you. Shut the hell up! Couldn't do that. I've been keeping my mouth shut while you just kept being away. You're the one that came here, to my restaurant. I'm doing things my way. It's my way or the highway. You'd say that. Somebody's trying to give you some advice, and this is how you talk to them? No, please. This is his establishment. He can talk however he wants to. What advice? No one asked you for it. I can't yell with his voice, because I'm sick. Most restaurant managers who can't make a single dish are a sham and have nothing to teach. A sham? You're behind the times. In this area of diversification, starting people like you are a dying breed. Jesus. I mean, aren't you the one older than him? The essence of a restaurant is the taste of its cooking. Customers come when the food is good. Has that changed with the times? I say that way of thinking is already obsolete. What's necessary for a restaurant now is to not let anything separate you from the customer. The needs of a customer, the current trends, the way a manager should look, really those things are a requirement for a manager. Shutting yourself in the kitchen and only doing what you like, that's what third-rate managers do. What third-rate manager? You damn cat! I'm gonna beat you to death! I can't do it. Fuck. My fucking voice can't handle this. Say go. Stop! Yo-senpai! Murder is a crime! You and I stopped Go from trying to leap towards Yamato-san. So I managed to get him to sit down. Despite displaying violent behavior, he loses his clenched fist when his eyes meet mine. I wasn't sure if stopping him by force would work, but I'm very relieved when he quietly sits down. However, Go continues to glare at Yamato-san so hard that it looks like he could kill him. I wouldn't doubt it. While the clash was just barely avoided, the situation still remains volatile. Jesus. Yamato-san, please go home for today. If this fight could break out any time with him continuing to be here. Getting this ticking time bomb of a man out of here is what needs to be done now more than anything else. True? You don't need to tell me twice. I thought maybe we'd get along, being in the same business and all. Sorry, but I won't make that mistake again. All the tourists in the village belong to the Black Cat Cafe. I won't hand them over to shriveled up restaurants like this one. You better think about your future plans now, so you don't end up homeless when I crush you. If you ask nicely, I'll give you some livestock feed or table scraps. Jesus. Sorry. Saying no more, Yamato-san slams the door on his way out. Silence sets in. It was as if a storm had just blown through. Christ. So much screaming I couldn't even do it, I'm sorry. Mint, you, thank you for stopping me. Go says that as he holds back his rage. Really, he just says whatever he wants, and then goes home. Go-senpai, don't worry about someone like that. He can't get by with just talk. You're right. I think what Sasuke said was right. I just need to make good food. That's what the lounge is all about. Is that really true? Go, you had been conforming to Yamato-san's stance. Wasn't he trying to imitate him this morning? Yamato-san left his bento here, and when he left... You're right. I'll throw it away later, just leave it there. What? Throw it away? That's wasteful! Nothing. You. Why do I love you? I love him. Intimidated by Go, you reluctantly consents to it being thrown away. It's such a waste of food, damn. You're the food I made, eat that. Yes, sir. I'll fill my stomach and forget all about all of that bad stuff. I heard on TV that bad emotions can be relieved with good emotions. So, Go-senpai. Fuck. My bad. Shut up and eat. I hate you. Okay. Nah, poor you. After that, our meal was finished with an unpleasant air. Jesus. After saying goodbye to the both of them, I left for home. I returned to the empty house, finished washing the dishes and doing the laundry, and then take a short break to watch TV. There's a program I wanted to watch today. It's the most anticipated match in professional wrestling lately. Black Leon versus Red Bull. Sorry for that. Our main protagonist is a wrestling is a wrestling kind of guy. Why? Why am I not surprised? I'm a fan of the wrestler called Black Leon. He's quiet and mild-mannered, but extraordinarily strong during matches. His fight with the well-known villain and powerhouse Red Bull is nothing less than a clash of good and evil between the two strong men. There's no way I'd miss this. Compared to the city, this village only has about half the channels. I'm very lucky I can watch this. But then the phone in the living room rings, right before the match is about to start too. This is Sasuke's house. I don't know if I should answer it. Sasuke's house. But it's possible that it's somebody I know, so I decided to turn down the volume on the TV and pick up the phone. Hello? Don't! There, it's me. Oh, so it is. What do you mean, oh? And here I was putting off brushing my teeth just so I could call you. Will you make sure to brush them afterwards? I will, I'm not a kid. Anyways, do you need something? I didn't tell you this morning. I'm staying here the night. I didn't know it at the time either. It was a last-minute decision. Yeah, I heard about it from Go earlier. So? Well, I want to apologize. For what? Because you didn't tell me you're working the night shift? Yeah. So you called to apologize to me? Yeah. You worry too much. I don't mind at all. Really? I'm just a freeloader. You don't need to worry about me, right? Right. You're just a freeloader. So you and I have a master-servant relationship. Fitting. My character's name is technically Sebastian, so it would make sense. And you're my obedient manservant. Again. Fitting. The name is Sebastian. Hey, this is getting weird. This is an order from your master. Make sure to lock the doors. You're the master? I'm hanging up now. Alright, good night. Hang up the phone, only the sound of the TV can be heard in the living room. Now that I think about it, it's been quite some time since I last watched TV alone. That was the norm for me before I came here, but I thought Sasuke and I would be watching it together tonight. When I think about that, I don't feel very satisfied for some reason. I was looking forward to the match, but now I've lost interest in it. I just got a bad. Damn! I wanted to see what the hell it could have been all about. Time TV and returned to my room. I recorded and watched some other time with Sasuke. Oh shit! There it is again. What the? The moment I lay down on the bed, the Harusu giant makes the ground shake again. Oh yeah, it's the weekend. Ugh. Isn't it somewhat stronger today? Yeah! It definitely is. It's huge! That's what she said. Way more than before. Ah! Oh man. I'm scared. I just realized something. Before I came to live here, Suzuki was living alone. I'm sure there were many times when he was sleeping alone when the giant came. The strange, unknown sound probably scared Suzuki too, especially when he wasn't used to it. What was that phone calling for? Was he using forgetting about telling me? What the fuck? Using forgetting telling me night shift and nothing more than just an excuse? Okay, sorry, I just didn't process my mind, but no. Was he using forgetting about telling me about his night shift work Nothing more than an excuse. I can't read, I'm sorry. Ugh. I kept adding words in that sentence. I hate it. Probably overthinking it. I might just be making assumptions. When I think about Sasuke worrying about me that much, it makes my fear fade away. Good emotions relieve bad emotions. Is this what you meant by that, you? Okay, now that's the end. Hey, half an hour is not bad. Okay, no, I'll just end it here. It's fine. It's half an hour long, it's fine. Go's resolution. Okay, so that'll be the next episode. Okay, so that's that for now. Ugh, sorry I was sick. I'm sorry if there's gonna be a lot of coughing in this episode, but I'm trying to recover. I just wanted to do one more video out there because why not? Hope you enjoy, and hopefully the next time I won't be sick.